Hey guys, what's up? It's iDestiny. So I wanted to talk a little bit about why your skincare routine is trash. So I'm not here to offend anybody. I'm not here to get you guys all up in arms about what you're doing, because honestly, a lot of the stuff that you guys are doing is good intentioned. You're doing it because you want good skincare, not realizing that it's kind of negating the potential to you having decent skincare in the future. So I wanted to just go over some common things that I'm seeing a lot of people doing, that I'm getting a lot of questions on from people online, people at work, friends, family, all that sort of thing. So these are just some common things that I feel like you guys are doing. You guys could be doing a little bit better. So don't take offense. I'm just here to help, and make sure you guys subscribe. For the rest of the summer, I'm going to be doing a lot of skincare videos, just kind of helping you guys get your skin popping for the summer, really getting your skin looking dewy and glowy and amazing without makeup. So that's kind of one of my goals, because who wants to be cake faced in summer? I do not. So make sure you guys subscribe, and I'm gonna link my latest giveaway below, because you know I love to give y'all stuff when I get an opportunity. So check that out in the description box. Now let's move on. So one of the reasons why your skincare is trash, number one, is that you're trying way too many products. Okay, so this is something that I see a lot of. This is something that I know because I did this. I was the person that, you know, when I was acneed up and had scars and stuff all over my face, this is something that I would do. Dope, moving forward. So I would try a line of skincare products, and then after 3 or 4 days, if I didn't see it was working, I would automatically jump to adding in a new face wash, adding in a new toner, trying a new face mask. And because I was using so many different products, I didn't have a chance, well, my skin didn't have a chance to actually acclimate and see if it even worked in the first place. So you're using too many products. I was looking at some different blogs online from different dermatologists, and actually it takes a couple weeks for your skin to acclimate to new skincare products. So for me, what I do is I keep my skincare routine exactly the same. And then, you know, if I decide I want to try a new product and see if it works better, I'll just swap out one item. So like, let's say my night cream, I'll swap out my night cream and I'll add in the new one. Giving it a couple weeks or so to see if it works, then I can kind of determine, okay, is it working or is it not working? Because I know how the other skincare items work on my skin. I know that I've been using the same face wash for several months. I know I've been using the same serum or same essence or whatever for several months or a couple of years or whatever. So I just swap out one item at a time. And also, when you try way too many products at once, you're actually irritating your skin. Your skin can become extremely inflamed, even if you don't have sensitive skin. Just the fact that you're trying all these different chemicals and different things, even if you do natural stuff, your body doesn't really know what to do to be able to balance out your skin type along with whatever whatever skincare line you're using. 2, you're inconsistent. So this kind of goes a little bit along with number 1, but let's say you buy a skincare line and you try it out and you're all gung-ho about it and you're doing all like 15 steps. Then for the next 2 or 3 days, you get super lazy and decide you only want to do half the steps. And then on the weekend, you decide, I'm just gonna like wash my face with a bar of soap and put some like hand lotion or whatever on my face because I'm tired. And then 3 days from then, you're back on it gung-ho about the skincare line. So that does not work. You're never gonna see results if you're inconsistent in the amount of days or the amount of time or whatever that you're putting into your skincare routine. So if you do not have time to do like a 10-step Korean skincare routine or you know, an 8-step whatever, then maybe you need to shorten down your skincare routine. Maybe you need to just do like maybe a face wash and a moisturizer and keep it at that, and just find something that really kind of like works with your skin, that's going to gradually get you to your skincare goals. So not everybody has the time to do that and be using a jade roller and all that kind of stuff. So just drop it. Just be simple about it. Okay, number 3, I see this one a lot, especially for you men out there. Don't think that I'm just talking about the ladies here. I'm also talking to you guys too. But this is something that I see over and over and over again, and it's using products meant for the rest of your body on your face. On your face. So I know some of you men out there that are buying those like 10-in-1, 5-in-1 face wash, body wash, scalp conditioner, shave cream, whatever the heck it is. And those products are, even though they say that they're meant for all of that, it's just way too much going on. So products that are meant for one part of your body are not meant for your face. Your face has delicate skin. The skin around here, around your eye area, is very delicate. And you can't be using something that's on the same level as a heavy foot cream as your face moisturizer. It's just not gonna work. And then the thing is, with a lot of your different kind of all-in-one body products, especially like some of those body washes and stuff, is they have a lot of sulfates and kind of like weird chemicals and stuff that are way, way, way too harsh for your skin. So you're essentially drying your skin out, you're putting chemicals on your skin that might be irritants, and then you're wondering why, okay, well my body smells fresh and good and I don't have any body acne, but I still have face acne, or my face feels super dry and the rest of my body feels fine. That is why. It's because you're using products that are meant for the rest of your body on your face. So all that Lever 2000 and random bars of soap and all that kind of stuff, people using those on their face, it's too harsh, it's too drying. And I don't know if you've ever noticed this, but it kind of can leave like a slight film a little bit on your skin. Like I can feel it a little bit on my body when I use those kind of products, let alone that being on your face that needs to be able to breathe, that needs to be able to kind of absorb a little bit of oxygen, you know? So yeah. And number 4, not realizing that diet plays a huge role in the care of your skin and in the quality of your skin. So, I mean, you cannot expect to have, I don't care if you have $1,000 to drop on the SK2 line. If you are drinking soda and having Diet Coke with your meals every day, and Kool-Aid and Red Bull and all that kind of stuff, your skin is gonna feel like crap. Your skin is gonna look like crap. And I'm not trying to be mean about it, and I'm not trying to like body shame or face shame or anything like that, but your expectations, no matter how much money you have to splurge on the latest face wash and all this kind of stuff, if you're feeding your body crap all the time, your skin is not gonna be popping. It's just not. And I know everybody's like, well, I got that one friend. You know what? There's always that one person that's an exception to the rule, where no matter what they eat or what they drink, their skin looks nice and it looks decent, but give them a couple years, I guarantee you it's gonna start showing up. You need to drink things like water. Water is very, very important. Hydration is very, very important. Just to be able to cleanse your body from toxins and all that gunk in there so that it doesn't show up on your face. Add fruits and vegetables. If you eat McDonald's and Burger King and Taco Bell 24/7, and this is not to shame people from eating fast food, but I'm just saying everything needs to be in moderation. I get a burger and fries every now and then. I love burgers and fries. That's like my food. I can eat that like day in and day out. But if that's what you're constantly eating and you're expecting your skin to be popping, it's not going to be. You need to implement some real fruits and veggies, like from the grocery store, like from the earth. And I'm trying to think, maybe I should do a video on different fruits and stuff that you can eat that really help kind of boost the glow of your skin, kind of give your skin the nutrient. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, let's move on to number 5. Number 5. Not removing your makeup and cleansing before you go to bed. So I know some of y'all were like, well, you know, I was turned up at the club, I was having a good time, and I came home and I just like rolled up in bed and went to sleep. No. That is like one of the most terrible things that you could do for your skin. All I remember is like we had this this video in health class when I was in junior high, and it was about like mites, like not dust mites, but like the mites that are like on your skin like naturally. And I just remember talking about this lady that had like mascara on and how that's like food for them. I don't know, that just like totally freaked me out as a kid, and I was like, dang, like, oh, I gotta make sure I take my mascara off. But then as an adult, you know, there'd be times where I would just kind of like get home from the club, get home from kicking it with my friends, and just like pass and go to bed. No. Now I am like absolutely religious about it. I don't care if it's 4 in the freaking morning. I will find a way to get at least some of this makeup and crud off my face. So even if you don't have time to do your whole routine because you're just like, I'm so exhausted and burnt out, like, and as much as I hate these things, they might work well for some of you that really just don't have time. Just get a makeup cleansing wipe. At least at the very, very bare minimum, wipe the crud off your face, wipe, you know, as much makeup off, wipe as much makeup off as possible, and then just give your face a quick splash of water to just kind of like rinse off any extra residue. I know that's not a super deep cleanser, but at the very, very bare minimum, that's the least that you could do. That's the very, very least that you could do. For me, like, I literally go to town with my Tatcha Camellia cleansing oil. I can link it below if you guys want to show. Actually, no, I think I did I feel like I did a review on that at one point, or it was like in one of my favorites hauls or something. I don't know. I feel like I did something. I know I've talked about it before because that is like my holy grail. I freaking love that stuff. And it's literally a cleansing oil where I don't even have to, like, I can just pump it into my hand with my face dry, hands dry, and just smother it on my face, like all disoriented, And then the second I add water to it, it becomes milky and the makeup just slides off your face. So I absolutely love that, because when I'm feeling lazy and I ain't got time to be like doing no 4 or 5 steps or whatever before bed because I'm exhausted, I will just literally use that. Sometimes if I can muster up just a little bit of strength, I will like add a moisturizer, but honestly, since I'm cleansing with an oil, my face doesn't feel super dry, and I can just pass it and go to bed, which is so convenient. So maybe you need to look into a cleansing product like that, maybe something on the cheaper scale. I think maybe like Pixie by Petra or whatever. I think maybe they have one. I don't know, don't quote me on that. Maybe I can review some of their products and let you guys know. But the Tatcha Camellia one is the one that I specifically use. So yeah, those are my 5 reasons why your makeup routine is trash, or why it's not working for you, or why maybe your skin's just not as popping as you want it to be. So make sure you guys subscribe. I really want to be doing more of these videos, and check the description box for my latest giveaway. So like this video if you want to see more. I'll be posting more as usual. Make sure to do well and be well, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.